What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today when I talk to you about Lucid, I want to go over some of the current data points, give you a quick pre-market update on things that have been coming out and everything else. But first, make sure to hit that thumbs up, and with that, let's get right to it. So Lucid is up 1.81% pre-market. It was kind of stagnant, showing some signs of breaking down up until some new analyst ratings came out. So I'm going to give you a quick overview of that. So popping over to IBKR, there was two new ones that did come out. So Stefan with 𝗖𝗧𝗧𝗪, who has a 42% success rating, did maintain their 350 price target, and then a $4 upgraded rating from Jamie with RF Lafferty. Jamie, somehow it doesn't show their rating, but nonetheless, $4 is very good. So the market is going to most likely propel Lucid higher because algorithms are going to see these price targets and a lot of other positive kind of articles coming out and signal that Lucid is a buy, because right now with it at 225 and someone is giving a $4 price target, well, that does insinuate a lot more upside. Even encumbering this $2 and $3 ratings as a consensus of everything, $3.11 is that price target, and that does represent a 40.72% upside. So yeah, I think today's going to be hopefully a fairly good day. Just you have to wait and see whether big money kind of gets behind this news or these ratings or not. But we'll just have to wait and see. Another rating that I'm waiting for is Adam Jonas, just to see if they change it from their $3 sell rating. Same with right here, CFRA Garrett, $2 sell rating. So if those change to even the slightest of positive ratings, so even if that's changed to 350 and 250, I could see the market absolutely running because of that, or Lucid, of course. But as of right now, no official news from Lucid, no SEC filings, nothing along those lines. So it is kind of just piggybacking off the broader market of sorts. And then, of course, with these analyst ratings, a couple of things did come out on social media that I wanted to somewhat bring up. So Lucid 𝗖𝗧𝗛𝗧 did post this. And as I've stated in the past, Lucid 𝗖𝗧𝗧𝗧 has a lot of good information. So definitely pop over there and give him or her, I don't really know, a quick follow. But I think generally, Lucid's initially when Lucid came out, a lot of people were just saying, oh, it's a high luxury vehicle and it's going to be only for the rich. This is a very good example of how Lucids could be used for various different reasons. And plus, in the future, I think the Saudis will be able to utilize the Gravity for a hell of a lot more types of like fleet vehicles, unrelated to police. But as of right now, especially based on the performance of the vehicle, it makes sense to have it in a police kind of situation of this. So latest one did come out right here, and that is the California police, I guess, is potentially testing it. So yeah, very, very good stuff. It was also posted by Nick, who is the communications, head of communications for Lucid Motors. But it looks like they were going through testing with CHP headquarters. So official page for the California Highway Patrol. So honestly, I think that is very good, and hopefully they'll be able to kind of have some actual agreement. I don't think there's any standing agreement with the CHP right now, but more money coming down the pipeline is always better. So hopefully that's going to be something that they do talk on and guide for their next earnings. But yeah, those are some of the things that's kind of new-ish for the most part that is hopefully going to drive Lucid higher a little bit, at least for today. A couple of things as well on a technical standpoint. With it at $2.25, it is trading between these 2 points. So the pivot in this S1, $2.18 is going to be that strong support. It kind of was touching that for the pre-market for the low. And then 235 is going to be the next strong target / resistance. Futures are looking fairly good right now. So you can kind of see just the NASDAQ up 0.32, S&P 0.32, and Dow is up 0.37. So the market generally does want to move higher from, I guess, the positive momentum that is happening. Plus, at the same time, the fear and greed index is under the greed category, so people's appetite for risk is on the table. So today might be a good day, but in reality, it will all come down onto what big money is doing. So far, only one transaction occurring on the secondary market above $100,000. It is regrettably a sell for $160,000. I'm not sure exactly why an entity would be selling at $318, wanting to really sell Lucid for whatever reason, but hopefully the market does propel higher to that 230 and prove them very wrong. But yeah, let me know your thoughts on that. If there's a lot of other developments that happens today, I'll do a PM video all about Lucid and stuff like that. And so far, shorts aren't really doing anything all that much. So going into today, 20.24% of the free float's being shorted. And last couple of days, shorts have actually been returning some shares as they've been kind of taking advantage of the selling that's been happening with Lucid. But like I said, hopefully today is something different. Let me know your thoughts on that. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I always greatly appreciate that. Is there any other aspects of Lucid that you feel is a good catalyst right now? Like I said, a lot of articles I think are just talking on just the extreme oversold status for Lucid, and that is considering it as a very overwhelming buy. Aside from that, just a lot of people, or I guess a lot of articles, are just talking on just Lucid's future, it being a long-term play. So yeah, with that said, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. And one final thing, take advantage of this promo because it does give you 8 free stocks. Each stock is valued up to $2,000. So this is a kick-ass deal that you must take advantage of, only up until November the 30th. So link to this is in the description below and also the comments. With all that, appreciate all of you watching.